Hello everyone, and welcome to our webinar where we will have a deep discussion about crypto and Forex setups. So if you have any questions, just feel free to use the live chat on YouTube. For those who are watching us on TradingView, also feel free to use the chat. Okay, so guys, let me just say what you are prepared to see first. Should we start with the crypto? Should we start with the Forex? Just use the chat, let me know where we should start. Okay, but first, until you will be typing there on chat, let me show you the wonderful setups that we had previous week with my traders on USD. Okay, so what we did, okay, I see that one is for crypto, one is for Forex. Keep going. Okay, so I will count the votes once I will show these results. We have a wonderful projection there on DXY, and I would like to share that with you. So for those who are asking me in private what we do in our trading academy, in our community, here's what we do. Okay, so we always watch the charts deeply. We track them daily. Okay, and here's one example why having a group of community is really good. As you can see that we've been watching the DXY, the dollar index to rise. Okay, that was posted in the group on March 3rd. So what we were anticipating is that this correction is completed and it will just start to push really nicely to the upside. So based on that, on those forecasts, we decided we will start watching to sell the year USD. Okay, because of this wave, we are watching to sell year USD. And guess what happened? Let's have a look. This is where we've been watching and talking about. Okay, this is our projection, what we were talking and sharing with others, that we're supposed to sell the year USD. What chart did? Let me have a quick look over there. It did exactly that what we've been talking about. Okay, and this is really good thing, having a good community so you can talk and discuss about setups with someone who understands you. Okay, because your family can't understand you. So having a good people around you who will support you is really important, especially in trading. Okay, I see that you are voting Forex, one for crypto, two for crypto, three for crypto. Okay, looks like crypto is leading. Okay, we have on TradingView also crypto, one vote, so 4 votes for crypto, and at the moment there's only one for the Forex. Okay, crypto 5, great. Okay, I seen that some people are with me since previous week. Okay, and I really appreciate those guys who are following me and making a nice money. Got a lot of good positive messages in my private that you guys are making money, and this is really good. I appreciate that a lot, that you are making money from those free webinars, and at least you are learning. This is the most important. Crypto, yeah, okay. We will start with the crypto. Like, see, there are a lot of crypto traders at the moment. Okay, so for those who want the Forex, I will go with the Forex once I will finish with the crypto. Okay, so kind of waiting for this weekly webinar. This is so great. Okay, so great. Hope that you are learning and hope that you are making money from it. If not, then use the demo train, and believe me, you will be making money really soon, and you will understand the market, how it moves, how it behaves, and why it behaves like that. Okay, I know that many of you guys are improving your knowledge of your trading. Okay, I like your improvements. So let's go. Let's start with the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing those days, we've been tracking it a lot. As you can see, we have a nice downside, okay, impulse for the downside. So where we are basically, let me show you the bigger picture. Okay, the bigger picture, we are in some kind of the sideways movement. Similar correction like this will appear over there. As you can see, we have a nice impulse to the downside. Now this will struggle there. It can go for one more low, and then we will have something like this. That then it will start its way to the upside. Okay, so what we will do, we will watch to buy around the trend line. Okay, watch to buy a trend line. We have a try there, and we took that buy. It didn't go anywhere. We took a break even. Why? Because we are in the correction and we didn't saw that this will continue its way to the upside. This is the reason why we closed it. Okay, so once you see, guys, that trade is not moving with the momentum that you were expected, then close it, take it off, and wait for another setup. Okay, you can get in again if it is not moving with the speed that you anticipate. Okay, but don't be too fast. I know that sometimes candles cannot move that fast as you want the profits. It took few more hours. Yeah, it's 4 hour time frame. This is a 4 hour time frame. And what you can do, if you will see there a nice pullback, then you may go for this buy. Okay, but only if the correction will appear whether you can go for this buy. Okay, how far this buy will go, just retest the previous stop. If not, then it will start to push lower, but I'm much more for this wave to the downside. Let me just show you what I will be anticipating over there. This, okay, breaking down, breaking this low, and then tagging the trend line, and then to start to push its way to the upside. So watch for your buy stops around the trend line. Don't just simply buy it. Okay, I don't want you guys that you will just buy, wait for some kind of the reaction. Any strong impulse to the upside will confirm that you will be going to the upside, and it will be really amazing profit over there. XTZXLM, I want your opinion on them. When is the time? Yeah, they will be on the list really, really soon. I think that they are somewhere there down there. We will watch it. No worries. Okay. If I don't have any pairs and you want that I will take a look on it, just use the chat and I will add them immediately on my watch list. As you can see that you added a lot of cryptocurrencies on my watch list since first time when we start with crypto webinars. Okay, this is really good. That watch list is keep expanding. Okay, so keep adding. This is really good. What is this yellow line indicating? An uptrend. Okay, this is just an uptrend indication, nothing special. So let's go XRP. What can we see over there? I can see that this it will go for one more low. The low still didn't broken. Okay, the bottom wasn't broken yet. Okay, so I'm still watching that we will see the tag of this bottom really, really soon, and the chart is already preparing to push lower. Okay, so watch to sell it for those who are trading it. Okay, LTC USD, so Litecoin, same there. There is nothing good at the moment. Okay, something like this going down, and if it will stop by the previous bottom, it will go for one more high and then it will drop down. This is the behavior which can appear, or it can go straight down. This could be the nice running flat, you guys. You know that this is the running flat. We can recognize them really, how to say this, a lot of times it appears on the market. Okay, so running flat appears a lot on our charts. So what we can do there, anticipate a really nice wave to the downside also. Okay, so if it will break aggressively the bottom, you know what the price will do, it will go straight breaking this low before it will turn its way to the upside. Or if the price will be aggressive around the previous bottom, then you can anticipate a tag of that low. What's the name of the indicators? As you know that I'm not using a lot of indicators, I only use the trend lines, as you can see, and I'm simply using just the MACD. Okay, the MACD is showing me some momentum over there, and this is all what I use. Okay, and I want from you that you will also not be using indicators on your chart. Okay, only MACD is what you can have, and Everything else, it needs to be your pure knowledge. Don't use the indicators, for example, some moving averages or some RSI. They will just confuse you, okay? The indicators are not there to show you the buy or sell signals. They will mislead you, okay? Then you will just got stuck. I've been talking with a lot of traders that they are using RSI and smooth and moving averages and moving averages, and they are not doing good. Okay, they've been trading for a few years, they are still struggling, cannot become profitable, and this is the reason. Okay, we solved one problem with one guy this week. Okay, so he been struggling for 3 years and he couldn't become profitable, and yeah, then we just have a talk, small talk, where we delete his indicators, we watch in his knowledge, and we saw that there is some misleads, okay? Misknowledge. He didn't have a complete knowledge and understanding about the market. So we give him some rules. Now he applied it on the chart and he's crushing already, okay? So he can see already some improvements on his trading. But yeah, so let's go. What's the best moving average to use? It doesn't. Oh, there is no moving average that you can use. Okay, don't use it because moving average is there to show you the average price. Okay, so you cannot trade on the average. Believe me, you will miss everything if you will be trading on the average. Okay, indicators are there only to mislead you, basically. Okay, this is the in really simple terms. Can you please explain the entry point? What is your technique? I'm watching the double confirmations on the breakout entry. Okay, I'm not just simply jumping into the first breakout on the first break of the trend line. I'm waiting for the double confirmation before entering the trade. Okay, but to teach you about my entry strategy, this will take a lot. Okay, this will take for at least 4 to 8 weeks. Okay, this is the training course where I teach my traders how to do this properly, because I cannot explain you this in just one single webinar. You need much more knowledge. Okay, so basically I use the breakout entry, simple breakout entry, but double confirmation on breakout entry is what I'm searching for. Can you explain what I'm to use as a new trader? If you are totally new trader, you're supposed to use only clear chart. Okay, you have to get knowledge and understanding why the market moves, and correction will tell you where the market will move in the future. Okay, there are some basic techniques you can apply. If you see the impulse correction, then this will indicate we will move to the upside in the future. And if you see the impulse and correction, you will know that the chart will move to the downside. Okay, this is the first step which you have to understand, and take a look on your chart if it is so. Okay, check it and let me know if it works for you. Okay, you just go on the chart and you will see. Okay, so impulse and correction, it goes up. This correction, what is it telling to me? It's going up. What this is telling is going up. If this goes down, correct, what this is telling to me is going down. What this is telling, down. Okay, so just go on your chart, check if this is so, and you have to watch charts like that. Okay, so let's go. Let's move now with the LTC USD. I think we already did that one. Ethereum USD, what we can see over there, Ethereum USD, it will also go to the downside. Okay, there is the nice flag which is trying to appear already, and I see it breaking down. Okay, so there is some kind of the 4-hour, oops, I just misclicked. This is the 4-hour flag which is appearing over there. Once it will start to break, we will have that kind of the impulse which will appear over there before we'll see any turning direction. Okay, so can this extend a little bit? Of course. Okay, this can correct over there, go for one more high and then drop. Okay, so you have to be aware for this movement. Okay, be prepared. if it appears, so you will know how to behave and what to do. Okay, so Dogecoin is there. Dogecoin is not moving anywhere. There is no momentum at the moment. We've been watching it, and we don't have altcoin on the. We don't have a Dogecoin buys. Okay, it simply doesn't move anywhere. So we don't care what Elon Musk is tweeting about and what the other people are talking about Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin, it's not ready yet. Okay, this is really simple. It's not ready yet. As you can see that we are pushing lower. It will go a little bit lower. If it will test the bottom, then we will see some complicated correction. Okay, it can go lower, it can go higher, give us some correction like this, going for one more low, and that will go continue to the upside. Okay, so this is what you have to keep an eye on it. But no buys at the moment. Okay, don't buy it at the moment. So Sky Bitcoin, what do we have there? It doesn't move anywhere. Take off your altcoins or Sky on Sky. Okay, why? If you bought it somewhere there, it doesn't matter where, you're supposed to close it on a break even. So zero losses there. Okay, zero loss if you're applying that techniques which I'm learning, which I'm teaching you, sorry. You have to apply this technique and you're supposed to close it now on a break even. It's gone. Okay, so this will not go anywhere. Don't be optimistic, and yeah, just close it. You recommend for our chart, can we use shorter duration also? What do you prefer? You mean if you can go lower than 4 hour? Of course you can go, okay, but if you're totally new on the trading, or basically in your investing, you're supposed to use 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour is the lowest as you can go if you are not skilled enough. For those who are much more experienced, they can go all the way down to the 1 minute. Okay, but there you have to be stable. Your emotion and your knowledge needs to be stable, otherwise you will got lost. Okay, so until you doesn't master yourself on 1 hour, you cannot go lower. Okay, so this is some kind of the level. Like you're playing the games, you are going on this level, from this level, and until you complete this level, you cannot go on lower ones. Okay, it's so simple. But it's basically so, yeah. Okay, so master 1 hour before moving on lower time frames. In which time frame you enter? Okay, I'm using the 1 hour. This is my main time frame where I'm searching for the entry. I'm always prefer that you will find and see the 1 hour entry. Okay, 1 hour is the most stable time frame and really good in the longer term direction. Depends how you are trading. Okay, but I'm most of the time trading on the longer terms. I'm not trading for the shorter term. So this is the reason why I'm searching the entries on the 1 hour. Then I'm trading in the direction of the 4 hour plus daily. Okay, this is how I do. I watch the daily plus 4 hours direction. Then I watch on 1 hour setups. Okay, this is where I watch the setups to trade. Really simple. Okay, just save those. Okay, just save those questions. Let me just pass some of those bitcoins, some of those crypto coins, and then I will answer all the questions you'll have. Just keep asking. I will answer every question that you have. ADA, nothing there. Okay, don't listen to any groups that they think that where the ADA is going nowhere. Okay, it doesn't go nowhere. It's just dipping lower. Okay, so don't buy it at the moment. If it will goes higher, then you will see some buy flag. But at the moment, you cannot recognize that there is any buy flag at the moment. Okay, we are close to lost some momentum, but you cannot say right there. Okay, it can drop down and this will invalidate the buy setup. So let it struggle there, let it lose some momentum, and then you can start watching for your buy setups. Okay, you will see that really nicely, but don't get into early. It can drop down. Okay, daily is the reason why it can drop down. Okay, so this is the reason it can go deep that way. Okay, or even lower. if it will be aggressive. Depends. We have to watch it. Okay, this is the reason why we are having the trading community. We watch the charts daily, and setups may change during the week. Okay, if I said on Sunday we're watching for sell, then on Tuesday or Wednesday that setup may change. The patterns are always changing. You will never know. You just have to master it, and you have to recognize it on the time. Okay, this is really important if you want to be a full-time trader and if you would like to live from your trading. Let's go BQX. What do we have there? Nothing there. It's trying to push lower. I will not watch for the buy. Okay, this structure doesn't look good. Okay, we've been watching it. We didn't decide to do anything, so delete it. It's not ready yet. I will delete these really old drawings. Okay, this is one buy that we took, but now yeah, it doesn't look good for buying, so just simply skip it. Luna, let's have a look. Nothing there. It can just correct and going lower, so be careful with the altcoins this week. GRT, similar there. It can go how far? Breaking this low. Okay, the correction can get bigger. This is what we can see. The breaking of this bottom, it's quite possible, so no buy at the moment. This is what we can see. Let's have a look on daily. What daily is about to do. Yeah, it can go easily down. Okay, this bottom can be easily reached, so don't buy it. Nano, quite interesting. Okay, it's same there. Nothing has changed there. It is still trying to push lower. If it will stay there and struggle, okay, so this is loss of momentum. If chart will not go anywhere and if it will just struggle there, this is good. This is good sign that we will start watching for a buy. If not, it can just take that low. Okay, so nothing until you will see some loss of momentum. UMA trying to push higher, no momentum. As you can see, there is no momentum. It break out, it corrects once again, break out, didn't move anywhere. Okay, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 candles. Okay, 7 4-hour candles. This is 28 hours. Okay, in 28 hours it didn't move anywhere. Oh, sorry, it didn't move anywhere. So what this is indicating to you, close it. It doesn't move and it will not move. So what we're supposed to do and what we can watch is this one. So this can start breaking down. Okay, so don't watch for your buys yet. This can easily extend its way to the downside. It can also totally lose its momentum. Okay, it can go down before going higher. So be careful with your buys. Don't get in. FOR Bitcoin. Let's have a look what this one is trying to do. Okay, been watching this for the breakout. It did nicely, but now it's stuck over there. So what we may anticipate there is it may go up. Okay, if this will give you any flag, you can watch for buy. Previous stop is your target. This is all that you can do. LTC, we already did the Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin is already done. Will you be doing an analysis of SP500? Yes, I will. Okay, just stay with me. We will have a look on it. Comp. Okay, we took that one. Okay, buy over there. Some of my traders cut it down there. Okay, they took it from there and boom, we took profit somewhere there. Okay, this is our profit taking area. We took the maximum out of that trade and now we will wait to correct and confirm before it will start to push higher. Okay, so what it's doing right now, we have a complicated correction. So at the moment we don't see any loss of momentum. Price is quite aggressive and it can push lower. I will delete that trend line over there, and you just have to be careful at the moment. Okay, when you will be buying after having the correction. Okay, like this. Otherwise, what the price can do, okay, this can simply break down there. Okay, aggressive breakdown can appear and this will go tagging this low. So this is why you're supposed to not be selling it. This is where you watch for the buy. previous top is your target. ALGO, nothing there, dipping lower. Okay, so this will go lower, so nothing is there. Be aware, it is just going lower. VT, what is this? YITA, sorry for my spelling. Okay, so what is it doing? Let me have a look on daily. Let's have a look. What is it trying to do? It's trying to push higher. Okay, so if this thing will correct there, you can watch for the buy. Okay, this for me, it's complete correction. This is complete correction, and if this will stay there for a couple of more candles, you can watch for the buy. You can buy after having this correction. Okay, so wait for this correction to appear, and then you can take the trade. How far? At least back to the top. Breaking this top is what you will be waiting for. Okay, but wait for this correction. Easy. Okay, let's see. You guys are asking, are you just using chart patterns with impulse correction movements only? What about candlestick patterns and supply and demand zones? What I do, I only use chart patterns. Yeah, that's correct. I use expanded flat, running flat, flags. Okay, contracting flats, triangles. This is what I use, but I do not use candlestick patterns. Okay, why I don't use candlestick patterns is because you cannot rely on them. Okay, they will just mislead you. I took them all, I tried to backtest them, and they do not work. Okay, I was at the beginning of my career, that was 7 years ago. I was trying to trade with those candlestick patterns, and sadly, I didn't succeed with them. So, believe me or not, you also will not succeed with those things. So try to not watch on them, okay? Rather rely on the impulse and correction movements. They are much more powerful. They will not mislead you, and they cannot change in next few hours. Okay, so if the pattern is there, for example, if the buy pattern is there on the chart, it will not change in next few hours. Okay, it will take up to 24 hours to change. And supply and demand zones, nope, I also do not use those supply and demand zones. Okay, chart doesn't see them, and yeah, it doesn't make any sense that the chart will see those supply and demand zones. So here's what it will happen. Okay, the most of the time, once you will see that supply or demand zone, so what it will happen, it will just chart will stop there, and at this time when the candle will be there, you will be buying. Okay, this is when you will be buying. You will put stop loss, it doesn't matter, somewhere there. Okay, and then what the chart will do, because you think that chart knows and chart can see the supply and demand zone. Okay, I'm laughing because I know it. The charts are not seeing those supply and demand zones. The chart will just stay there for a couple more hours, and then it will be good confirmation. You can buy this supply and zone, and then in the next few hours it will just drop down. Okay, you will have a losing trade, and then what, you miss the main trade. Okay, you lose a lot over there. So try to avoid trading on these supply and demand zones. Makes no sense in trading. Okay, market cannot rely on them. Algo euro, we will watch this. Algo euro also, crazy way of trading. Yes, it is. This is powerful way of trading. Okay, so try to understand this concept. You will not miss the main moves and money making moves, which can double your account in few months. I'm learning a lot of things rather than the theory they are teaching at online classes. Just joined your stream. Yeah, I know that there are a lot of people that they are just selling some classes. They are talking really funny things. Okay, I also got almost every day the message how they got scammed, how they bought their funny courses where they were teaching them about support and resistance. Okay, and I can show that support and resistance, it simply doesn't work. Same as supply and demand zones, and same as candlestick patterns. They are useless and they don't work. Price action extreme. Yeah, depends how you use the price action. Okay, we have a different type of price action. Because if you will type the price action in Google, you will see a bunch of crap that people are using to identify his price action. Okay, so everyone has its own price action. So this is why I developed also my own price action, which is on lower time frame. So let's go EOS Bitcoin. US Bitcoin not looking good. There is no momentum for buy, so leave it until we will have any strong wave to the upside. QTUM pushing higher. That's a really good sign at the moment. If this will stays there, correct, wonderful. You can buy above the high. It will go tagging that high. Okay, so watch it in the upcoming week. You skipped XLM. Oh, did I? Okay, if I skip it, sorry, I didn't saw that. Maybe I just got a little bit messed, confused with the chat. Sorry for that. XLM, it may go up. Let's have a look. Just a second. Let me have a deep look. What is it doing? The momentum it's quite strong for the downside. Okay, be careful. You can watch this one. Okay. Oops, sorry. Watch this one. If price will be keep pushing lower, then just simply ignore it. Okay. If not, then any strong break to the upside you can watch to take this buy. For me, this pattern is completed and it may start its way to the upside. Okay, really soon. But momentum is quite strong. Okay, on daily, especially on daily, it's showing some strengthness. Okay, and it can go tagging this low. So you should not be into the trade earlier until you have a strong wave which will push to the upside before and give you some confirmation before getting into the trade. Hey, what do you think about the per euro USD and USD CAD? You will have to wait a little bit for the Forex pairs. I will start with the Forex pairs once I will finish those cryptos. So no worries, we will go through all the Forex pairs. So no worry that I will skip anything. Uh, because you were speaking about new investor, not a problem, thought. That's what I believe. So that's why I asked you. I believe it will go to 0.35 and then up. Yeah, it's really possible. Okay, yeah, just watch there for the break and then correct before taking the trade to the upside. How do you know that consolidation is completed? Consolidation is completed once you see that strong impulsive wave will start to form on lower time frame. Okay, there will be strong candles which will appear on lower time frame, and based on that you will know that correction is completed, and you also saw the price action is in the making there. Okay, so where we were, ANG, what do we have there? Nothing is there. You can go for this trade. Okay, don't be that crazy to go for this small trade. Okay, this is not a lot of money over there, and you are risking more than you are willing to get. Okay, so ignore it, but it is short-term small trade to the upside. If you go on 1 hour, you'll probably see the flag. Yes, you see, and it will go high, tagging that, and it can reverse. It can go a little bit higher and then reverse the downside. Okay, so don't chase the price. ZIL Bitcoin. This one could be interesting. Okay, we have an impulse, we have a correction which is in the making, and this is about to complete. Okay, we have some loss of momentum, so you can watch this chart how this will plays out basically. we are having a nice flat which is trying to appear over there. Okay, this is the correction we can see. Okay, something like that is what we can see, but don't get in too early. Okay, don't just simply open your broker account and just buy it because I said it will go up. No, wait there, wait for breakout before taking any trade. Let's go INJ Bitcoin. Nothing there, it's just tagging the bottom as we were anticipated. So we are just patiently waiting that the price will break this low and then it will form some loss of momentum before going to the upside. So nothing is there. Okay, as you can see, guys, that there on altcoins there are not a lot of opportunities at the moment. We will have to stay calm and we have to wait. Stay focused. Don't panicking and don't feel that you have to press the trade. Okay, ocean, it went up nice. Been watching this also in the previous weekly market outlook. So those who are with me since few weeks, you know that we've been watching for this buy. What you have to do, take off your profit. Okay, this will not go anywhere. If it will goes, then it will give you the correction before continue its way to the upside. So taking off your profit is really good idea. 1 inch Bitcoin, nothing, leave it. Okay, this could be the running flat. Okay, guys, be careful. 1 2 3, this could be the running flat. It can just simply push all the way back to break this low before turning to the upside. So be aware of this behavior over there. You can see that also set up for sell, it's preparing over there. So nothing until we will have the break of the bottom and then take the trade to the upside. AST Bitcoin with this low momentum. There is 1 hour buy setup. Okay, if you watch it, this is the 1 hour buy setup all the way back to the top. Be careful, it's supposed to not react. If it will react, how far it will go back to the top and then go up. So can I go for the buy? Yes. You can watch the buy setups over there. This is your buy setup. Okay, strong break to the upside. Strong break there. Watch it. Okay, if not, simply ignore it. Okay, if strong breakout will not appear over there, then you're supposed to not have the trade over there. Okay, so this strategy will save you. If you are wrong with your thinking and if you are wrong with your analysis, the strategy will protect you and you will not have a trade there. Okay, Nibble, how the hell is this? NABLB Bitcoin. It doesn't matter, okay? It's just some strange spelling. Uh, let's have a look. Let me move on 4 hour. Nothing there, okay? This can just simply push lower. Be aware. Once it will start to break down, okay? Once it starts to break down, it will go tagging or even lower. So skip it. Nothing is there. Loom Bitcoin. Leave it. Nothing is there. We just need a deeper pullback, okay? Some more room, okay? Probably on Wednesday you'll find some buy setup if it will appear. If not, it can just go back down. Key air. Nothing there. If you bought it, okay, if you bought this breakout, you're supposed to get out already, okay? You have. Sorry, I just got disconnected by microphone. If you got bought there, okay, if you bought there, you're supposed to get out, okay? You have 4 chances to recognize that this is not going anywhere and there is no momentum for buy, okay? So look at that and learn from that stuff, guys. Okay, you have 5 days, 5 days to recognize that this chart is not going anywhere and you have to take off your trade with a break even. Okay, so you have to take off your trade with a 0 loss. If not, if you didn't recognize this and if you didn't take off the trade, close it now and stop trading. You have to learn first. Okay, We have one question. Please help out with Dogecoin and BNB. Thanks. Oh, guy. I hope that you didn't got stuck over there on Bitcoin. We will have a look. We will find a solution for you. No worries. Okay. Okay, we have one. I am not an owner thought. I'm waiting for the buy signal like you proposed to me 1 week ago. Yep, I hope it works fine. Okay, so I'm really glad that you are applying these techniques that I'm showing over there. And it's supposed to work really, really, really good. I know that. I know that. When you say lower time frame, like on the 1 minute or 5 minute, I probably you were asking about that price action. This is around 15 minute to 15 minute, okay? 5 minute to 15 minute time frame. This is where you have to spot the momentum. You and I Bitcoin, let's go. Short-term trades, if you are in, okay, if you bought it somewhere there or there on those candles, okay, that was a great buy. You're supposed to take off your profit and then you will bought again. Okay, you can buy above the high again. If it cracks there, buy again and take off profit once it will stop there. Okay, so no hold, don't hold too long. Let me just draw this. This is what you can see over there. This will go at any time for the deeper correction. So what I do recommend you, if you have any buy from there, or even there, close it now. Okay, take off your profit. Why? Because at any time soon it will go into the deeper correction. And believe me or not, you don't want to return this profit back to the market. Don't hold it. Sometimes you have to understand where you are and if it is worth of trading. If it is not worth of trading, then you're supposed to not hold your trade. Okay, because you will return that profit back to the market, and this is really, really bad. AAV Bitcoin, nothing there. Okay, there was some. I think that I was sending this to one guy. Okay, and yeah, there's nothing. What the price will do, it will go for one more low, as it looks like. We will turn this like. Let me just check, quick check. Yeah, we have a new high over there. You see, that can made new high, so this is quite dangerous. 1 2 3 4 5. We have a 5-way structure and this can just push lower, so be aware with your buys. If any one of you are holding the buy, try to protect yourself and close it with a zero loss. Okay, no loss there. Protect yourself and get in again if it will try to push higher. Link Bitcoin pushing lower already, nothing there. Skip it, it can be and go lower. Okay, down there, so nothing there. You see, altcoins are not moving. So you guys, those who are trading on the crypto, let's move on the Forex. You have to have also the Forex account. If the crypto is not working and if the crypto is not ready to trade, then you have to be ready to take all the setups on the Forex. On the Forex, they are all the time setups. Okay, so you're supposed to have both trading accounts on crypto and Forex. So you can constantly making money. Okay, just make money. It doesn't matter where. You just have to be flexible, dynamic. If this is not going, then switch. Easy. So DNT Bitcoin. Let me have a look. I want to delete those trend lines. Don't want to confuse you. Let me delete everything. This is really old. Sometimes I'm just not deleting the drawings. Okay, I just leave them there. Mm. Oh, be careful. This can go for the deeper correction. Okay, so this can go deeper correction before it will continue its way to the upside. So that may be the way to the upside. Be careful if it is the buy. Let's have a look on 1 hour. Okay, if that will be the buy, then you can see the break there, correction, and take that buy. But I don't think so. For hour, it's quite strong to the downside. Ethereum, Bitcoin, pushing higher. How far? I don't think so. It will go far. Okay, so let me just delete that. I have to clean that mess. So if this will stay there, couple more hours, give you the buy setup, take it. Take that buy setup if it will go for the sideways movement over there. Okay, so down, up, down, and then it will go up. Then you can buy on the strong break to the upside. Alpha, if you bought previous week and we were talking about, then taking off your profit there. So now what you can do, I think it will go for one more up. Okay, as it looks like it is struggling there. There is no strong for the sell, so watch this. Okay, watch this to start pushing way to the upside. Okay, so good setup is preparing, so keep an eye on there. Could you show how buying setup needs to look like? Yes, I will show you. Let me just finish with this crypto. Give me a few more minutes. I just have to speed up a little bit. I don't want that this webinar will take 3 hours. I see that you're having a lot of questions there. BNB USDT, please. Okay, we'll take a look on that one also. Thanks. Whole chain target price hot USDT. We'll also watch on those charts. Let me just finish with them. VAD Bitcoin, nothing there. If you took any buy there, you're supposed to close it now really soon. If not, then give it some chance and close it over there. If it will start to push lower somewhere there, close it. Okay. If not, then this is your profit. It will start to push higher right now. Okay. So 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, there is some possibilities. Okay, if it will stay there, good, with no momentum of sell. Okay, then you can buy. If not, then don't play with it. It can just drop down. We are on the strange spot. Okay, this is quite late entry, and this is the reason why buying at the top is quite dangerous. Header a hash graph, nothing there. Deeper correction there, nothing. IOST Bitcoin, also nothing. It can go deeper for one more leg down. Okay, this is what you can have. 1, 2, 3. Leg down, break the bottom, then going up. I think those who are only trading the crypto, I think that you can take a break. You can go on the vacation for 1 week. Okay, so let's keep Bitcoin, nothing there. Leave it. OMG Bitcoin. The momentum is still not there. Okay, so if you're watching to buy it somewhere there, or if you were early buyer, if you bought it, watch it. Okay, if it started to push lower, then close it immediately. If not, then you have a nice trade. Okay, for those who are not in, what you can do, this 1 hour is what you'll have to keep an eye on it. Okay, so this is what you have to watch. Let me just delete those mess. Okay, this is what you have to do. If this will correct there, give any correction, you can go buy it. If not, it will break down, and then you're supposed to not have a trade over there. KNC Bitcoin, nothing there. Okay, deep pullback. If it will struggle there, that would be a good sign. Then you can start buying. How far? One more up, breaking the top, and then you can turn to the upside. So small trade is there. ANKR Bitcoin, nothing there. Okay, so what you can do, if this will go for the sideways, small trade, but I do not recommend you. Okay, it's too small trade. It's not worth of taking it. Daily, it's also not looking good. Okay, if this will go like that, that would be a perfect. Okay, that correction there will give you a perfect opportunity to buy. Okay, so you have to stay patient a little bit. DIA, same there. Okay, sell setup is still there. Are you still with me? Okay, DIA can go lower, breaking this low, so nothing there. DOT Bitcoin, it can go lower. Okay, something like that can form before pushing higher. Wait more. Okay, this behavior, then watch for the buy stops there before taking the trade. XTZ, let's have a look. Daily, what the daily is trying to tell. That could be the buy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, some kind of the expanded flat. Then watch for the buy stop, and you can take some buys over there. Okay, let's have a look on the 4 hour. What do we see there? What do we have there? I would be happy if I will see there the flat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, some kind of a flat, then take the trade. Okay, that would be a nice opportunity to take a buy order. Otherwise, this could be quite complicated. This could be wave to the downside, wave to the upside, wave to the downside, and this is some kind of the running flat. But yeah, like I said, I would like to see more there. Okay, one more wave to the downside at least before going higher. So be careful there for those who are trying to trade at XTZ. I think that one was asking exactly for this chart. CRV, nothing there. Pushing lower, you see. Altcoins are strange at the moment. You you should move on the Forex, every one of you. Neo, Bitcoin, nothing there. It can go deeper. RSR, let's have a look. Going higher, correction there, you can take a buy. If not, then it will just go for the deeper correction before going higher. XLM Euro. Okay, I will take a look. Just a couple of minutes. We will add your chart and we will take a look. Ren, what the Ren is doing. Okay, so let me just talk of this one. And you can see we are breaking. Don't buy. Okay, this is what you should supposed to not buy. Wait for the sideways on the lower time frame, then take a buy all the way back to that high after having the correction. Okay, so let's say you need a short-term correction and then you will take the buy. You have to be careful on the previous stop. Why? Because this could become a flat. 1, 2, 3. This could be the flat and one more down and then to go up. Okay, this move can confuse you. Be prepared for it and let's not confuse you. So now I show you what it will do so you are prepared. Just keep in mind that ZEC, Zcash, nothing there. Keep pushing lower. Okay, one more low. Still possibility exists there. Okay, there's no momentum for buy. Okay, this is looking for one more buy there. One more down. Ion Bitcoin, nothing there. Keep pushing lower. TRB. There was the correction. Okay, this is what you're mostly or usually have to wait for. Okay, break correction and go for the trade. Okay, perfect opportunity to take some buys over there. And what you can do for those who are not in the trade, you will have to wait more. Okay, now you missed it. And basically you cannot do anything. Okay, it's gone. It's really dangerous to getting into the market right now. Wait for the correction. Okay, it could give you a nice possibility over there sideways and take the trade to the upside. Okay, so I'll put an arrow there so you'll know in which direction you're supposed to trade. Okay, sideways and take the trade. How far it can even stop there and then turn. You will see basically. SNX pushing lower, that's not looking good. Okay, going lower, breaking all the way down, so be aware. You missed that one. Okay, so there was the nice opportunity for buy. Nothing is there. You don't chase the price. Okay, don't buy that hard. Wait for the pullback, then buy. Okay, so you know what to do if the price will correct itself. BTS. Okay, trying to push higher. If it took a buy, then wait that 4-hour candle to close and see what the price will do. Okay, so if you took a buy over there, then you will have to close it if it will not move anywhere. Okay, but wait for this candle to close, 4-hour candle to close before deciding. Put an alarm over there so you will get notified. LRC Bitcoin, nothing. Move, skip. Okay, we don't want to waste time over there. 8 Bitcoin. It can keep pushing lower. How far? Let's have a look. This could be 1 and then 1, 2, 3 sideways, and then this going down there, then 1, 2, 3, and then going up, tagging this high, then going down, tagging this low, and then to start to push to the upside. Okay, the correction can get quite complicated before it will complete itself. Okay, be aware. So this it will be some kind of the flag or the higher time frame flag, breaking low and then going higher. So you have a lot of time. Okay, but let this to complete itself. You can go for this buy once it will start to appear, okay? But you have to wait more. There's not a loss of momentum at the moment on the chart. Though at dot, let's have see on dot nothing, okay? If you took some buys over there, there were some buy setups, break even trade, okay? Easy. We are not losing. Don't let the market confuse you and to lose any money. You will do some stocks after crypto, of course. We will have a look on the stocks, no worries. But first we will go with the Forex, and after Forex we'll watch the stocks. Sushi Bitcoin, also quite dangerous setup. It can break down really nicely. Okay, so while we were waiting since previous weekly market outlooks, for those who are new with us, you can watch the recordings on YouTube or TradingView. Okay, we've been forecasting this move. We know what exactly it will do, and it goes higher. And what it's doing now, we will take off this. Okay, so take it off. It's not doing anything. It will just go lower, so it's not tradable for us. Can you do XTZ, please? We did that one already. Okay, XTZ. Yes, we done that already. Okay, so you have to watch the recording. Recording will be posted on my YouTube channel, or it will be also saved there on my TradingView profile. So you can watch it during the week on whenever you will have a free time. BNB USDT. Okay, so guys who are asking me for that one, BNB is still with me. Okay, you guys were asking me about that Binance coin. So let's have a look there on that Binance coin. Okay, so what the price is trying to do, you can watch for the buy setup over there. Okay, this is the flag which is completed for me. Okay, completed for me. Can it go for the sideways? Of course. Wait for this sideways movement. Take the trade all the way back to the top is your target. Okay, so this will be your target after having a flexor. Okay, so 40% of the profit is there. This is what you can do. Watch it during the week, how it will form. Okay, no any aggressive sales should appear over there. Let me have a look on 1 hour so you will know what exactly I'm talking about. Okay, so let's wait for this. Let it struggle there and then pull the trend line there. Wait for this trade to the upside. Okay, no early buys. Don't get in too early. You don't need to have a perfect entry. Okay, you have to keep in mind that you guys should not be focusing on the perfect entry. Perfect entries are really expensive. Okay, so it's not about having the perfect entry, it's about to have a constant profit month after month. Okay, so you can make money for your living. You want to be a free. Let's go. BNB, we done that. RVN USDT. Mm, strange one, okay? If this will stays there, correct, you can buy above the high, okay? Buy above the high. Only buying above the high. Don't get into early, okay? So this is, let me just move on daily. Let's have a quick look over there. Come on, charts. I'm just too fast sometimes. uh, Nothing special is there, okay? So yeah, wait there. This sideways. If it breaks above the high, you can take the trade all the way back to the top. If the price will be strong, congratulations, you have a nice trade which will break the top. Easy. Reef, what the reef is trying to do, breaking, trying to push back at the top. So keep an eye on this correction, okay? Watch this, how it will develop. Watch how this reef will develop during the week, and then you may search for an opportunity to take a buy which will break the previous top. If the price will strongly pushing lower, then you're supposed to not have any trade because it will go tagging the previous low. And yeah, it's so easy. Don't be in the trade if it is not going in your direction. Okay, so you have to avoid yourself. You're supposed to not have an open trade if the chart is in the correction. Okay, because you will get frustrated. You will watch your red numbers, and this is not good. You have to be calm while you're trading, okay? No frustration, and just calm mind and trade with the peace. That's your buying setup. Buy above the high. No, that's not my buying setup. Okay. Sometimes it is. Sometimes I do buy above the high. Yeah, that's correct. But I do other strategies, other techniques to enter the market. One of them is also this one. Yeah. Okay. If it, when I'm catching the less part of the trade, for example, if the trade is somewhere there, and if I want to catch less part, okay, then I do buy above this high and take this less trade, which is usually only 1 to 1. Okay, this is last part. With Bitcoin, I think we passed this one already. Okay, yeah, of course we did. Okay, and BNB also, we did that one also. No, we did BNB USDT. Sorry, this is Bitcoin versus Bitcoin. What is doing versus Bitcoin? We were anticipating a buy. It didn't appear. Let me just remove the drawings. I want to have a clear look. Okay, same there. We have a 1, 2, and 3. Did we break the top? Wonderful. Okay, we have a nice flag over there. A flag is there. Breaking with the low. What you can do? Okay, so this is a nice trade over there. What you can do? Watch there on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. It's what you're supposed to see. This should not push lower. Okay, if it will breaks below this low, it will invalidate the setup. Otherwise, watch for any strong break to the upside. Okay, don't buy immediately. Don't take a risk taking entry to get in right now. That's supposed to struggle there. That would be a perfect, and then you can take the trade to the upside. And like I said, if it will breaks below that bottom, it will simply invalidate this buy setup. Simple as that. It cannot be simpler. Okay, so let's take a couple of questions. Let's see what you were typing there. I see that chat is full of questions. I have to answer also for this guy who was asking me about the DOGE. So DOGE, let me take a look on the DOGE fast. Depends where your entry is. Okay, so let's have a look. Just a second. Let me just delete this one. Delete this one. Want to take off everything. Move drawings. It doesn't look good. Okay, so get out of it. Okay, this is the flag which is trying to push lower. Okay, if it will breaks aggressively through that bottom, take it off. Okay, if not, and if you can handle that small minus, depends where you enter. I don't know where exactly your entry is, but let's say it's somewhere there. It's supposed to not be there. Okay, if your entry is there, then you're doing something really, really bad. Okay, so but let's say your entry is somewhere there. Let's take that risk to see what the price will do once it will break this low. If it will start to struggle, congratulations, you will have a chance to close this trade on a break even or even with a profit. Okay, depends on the market, but what your job is, you will have to keep an eye what the chart is doing around the previous bottom. Okay, we have one more. Doge USDT, please. Okay, are you using the TradingView Premium subscription? Yes, of course I do. I use the premium subscription since really long. Since my 4 years ago when I started trading. Uh, Doge USDT, Doge USDT, Doge USDT, Doge USDT. Where is it? I think I don't have it. Let me add it. DOGE USDT. I don't have it. Let's have a look. I'll put it. You guys every week are adding my watch list. I think in next few months we will have that list too big. Okay, we'll have to delete some of them. I don't want to have a webinar 4 hours long. I will get tired probably. Dutch USDT. Let's have a look. Mm, be careful. You can buy. Okay, use this simply technique. Buy above the high. Okay, buy above the high. If it will break aggressively, if it will breaks and start to struggle, take it off. Why? Because this will becomes one, about 1, 2, 3, and it will break down. Okay, but for now, I do not think that this it will rise. Okay, I don't see the rise over there. Let me just have a deep look. Oh, that's not good. This could be already finished. This can start pushing lower. Okay, so be aware of this risk over there on the DOGE USDT. Okay, so keep your eyes on that behavior. What is the best candle that shows reversal? The best candle that shows reversal is impulsive movement. This is the better. You cannot have the better candle than impulsive candle. Still lurking here in the shadow. Please do the XL. Oh, sorry. Let me just edit XLM. So if I forget to watch on your chart, just use the live chat. I will quickly add the chart and we'll take a look on it. Okay. XLM euro. It may push higher. Okay. You may have chance for one more buy over there. It could be the triangle. Not like that. Like that. Buy above there. Okay, this is the safe technique that you can apply. Buy above the high. If not, it will just go lower. Okay, you are on the spot where this correction can can push lower. Okay, this is what you can have over there, and then you'll have a flat over there and more continuation to the downside. Okay, this is prevent yourself by doing this. If not, then simply just put your buy over there, take this buy, watch it how it will behave around the previous stop. If it will start to struggle, then you may put it on a break even. If not, then it will just continue to the upside because this will become all of the daily correction. Okay, this will become the daily correction and it can push higher. Okay, but I see that there it can be one more low. Okay, really a lot of possibility exists. Okay, once you see that the price is pushing lower, you will know that there. Okay, once you see that the candle is there, strong candle there, okay, you will know that price is pushing all the way back to the top and then you will be watching to buy again. Okay, so no early buys. Ethereum USDT. Okay, let me just, I don't have that one. Ethereum USDT. Ethereum USDT. Thank you, you are welcome. This is why I'm sharing the webinar with you. Hope guys you are learning. Ethereum USDT not looking good. Okay, so it looks like one more down. That could be the 1 to 3 with the expanded flat, one more wave to the downside, complete the impulsive move, corrective movement, sorry, 1 to 3, and then it's going down. So 1, 2, 3, big 1 to 3, pushing closer. So watch for this breakdown. Okay, watch. Don't buy. Watch this. It can go easily back to that low. Or can it go even deeper? Not yet. Not yet. Just a second. You have an opportunity there basically. You have an opportunity there. Which opportunity? Let me show you. If correction will appear there like this, then you have a nice opportunity to take a buy, okay? Believe me, you want to take that buy if the price will go in the correction like that, okay? So corrective move, sideways movement will tell you that I will go to the upside, okay? The chart will say, come on, let's buy me, okay? This is what you'll see, sideways movement, then you're supposed to buy. If not, then you'll see aggressive candles pushing lower, lower, lower and breaking that low. Okay, so simple as that. It cannot be simpler. Okay, this is what I do. I want to teach you guys that you'll understand the market behavior on the simple way. Okay, it couldn't be simpler as that one, as I'm sharing with you. Okay, thank you. What is the best candidate reversal? Also answer that one. Can you explain in short about flag pattern? It's just simple flag. Okay, so you have a impulsive movement, then you have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is really simple flag pattern. Or in the buy, you will see the 1, 2, 3, and then to the upside. What is the rule for this flag pattern? This second wave, okay, this is the first wave, this is the second wave. This second wave should not tag this bottom, okay, needs to stay above this top, and the third wave needs to break this high. Okay, these are the rules how you will identify the flags. Okay, in the buy, same thing, just reverse the rules. Okay, easy as that. So keep a note and try to apply on your chart those techniques. You passed me again. That's great. Thank you. You are welcome. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for your support. I'm really happy that you're learning. So who is there for the Forex? Okay, so I think now it's the nice time and good time for the Forex. Let's have a look on the Forex. Okay, so everyone from crypto switch now from the to the Forex. Let's make money there. Crypto is a little bit sleepy and it needs a little bit more time. So it's like double bottom and double top, right? No, we don't use double top and double bottom. Okay. So guys, just give me a quick break. We have a webinar already 1 hour and 15 minutes. I will take a break for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay. I have to grab a sip of water and I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so here I am. You guys are still with me? Thank you for the great explanations. You are welcome. Okay, I'm doing all my best to help you and to help you understand the market behavior. Yes. Will the relief aid package weaken the USD? Let me comment that, okay? We are not relying on fundamentals, and you're supposed to not rely on on fundamentals too, okay? Why? Let me quickly understand you, okay? Probably you are fresh with with me. We are not using fundamentals. There is one simple rule or simple, how to say that, behavior. Okay, news are not there to help you. Okay, they are mainstream media and they are here trying to confuse you. Okay, so don't try to read the fundamentals. You will probably got lost over there on your charts. You don't know what to do, or in case once you will read the news, you will be late on the market. Okay, so this is the main reason why you're supposed to not use fundamentals for trading. All informations are late and you cannot apply them on your trading. Okay, you can only read them for fun. Okay, for example, our traders, when they are boring or when they don't know what to do, they are reading the news and they are just keep laughing because what the politics do in the last few years is they do a nice drama. Okay, they are drama players. This is how we call them, but they are well paid drama players, drama actors. So they are really good. It's possible to do LTC USDT. We did that already at the beginning. I don't want to go back on the crypto. Okay, we spent 1 hour and 20 minutes already, so I would like to move now on the Forex. Okay, thank you so much. First time in the webinar. You are welcome. Okay, stay with me, stay with us. You will learn a lot over there. Okay, so let me just give you the information for every one of you who is interested to join my team. Okay, simply go to my webpage tradewithmaster.eu or simply find the links there below the video or on the every published idea. Below the published idea you will find my social links. You can simply follow me there and you can contact me there and I will send you the information to join my team. Okay, or you can simply go to the website, check there, read, and if you need additional information, just feel free to send me the email or contact me on Telegram or Trading Career. It doesn't matter. just contact. Okay. Uh, I agree. Politicians are powerful actors, of course. So this is the reason why you should not rely on them. They will just confuse you and you will end up with a huge mess on your chart. At the end of the week, you will don't know if you are buying USD or you are selling the USD. Okay, so this is what they will do with you. Or when they will give you the information, when you will watch the chart, you will be late. So your late will be your entry will be really really late. And as you know that in trading is really important, the timing and your entry. Okay, so this doesn't go together. Fundamentals, informations, and entry. Okay, so this is simple logic, and you cannot connect them to make them useful. So let's go. Let me start with the DXY. DXY, it's over there. Let's have a look. Here is what we did. We trade there in our community, in our trading academy. We recognize that there is a nice seller there. So here it is. Let me show you once again for those who are not watching. DXY. Okay, so we watched that on March 3rd. We watch for the buy, what it did, the chart. Let me just move now on the real example. What it did exactly as anticipated. So based on that behavior, you have to have, oh sorry, I misclicked. You have to have a nice sell over there, okay? In this time, you can sell it and the chart is over there right now, okay? So nice profit was there. So what you can do in the upcoming week, there it could be the short-term pullback, 1 hour pullback, and one more wave to the upside, complete this move, and then to go to the downside. Or it will start to break down, correct there, and you can start selling. Okay, you can keep selling, keep selling, keep selling. It's going down, but I don't think it's ready yet. Okay, I think we will see the one more push to the upside. So sideways, one more up, and then we'll watch for the sell. Okay, so I will move those arrows so you'll know exactly what I'm trying to say. Okay, going up and then down. This is the bigger picture. Let me show you. Let me give. Okay, daily. This is the reason, the big reason. Okay, huge flag over there. And this is the 1, 2, 3. It's trying to complete. We will see the tag of that bottom. Okay, and this is the main reasons. What happened? Do we still have sound? You guys hear me? Can just use the chat and confirm, please. That I know that everything works properly, so I can continue. I don't want to talk if there is no connection. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. Thanks, everyone. So DXY, let it complete this move. Okay, then we will start selling. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, everyone. So this is what you will do. Wait for this correction. You can go for this small term buy. Okay, that will result with Euro USD for one more sell opportunity. Okay, so let me just start now with the Aussie pairs. I think that Aussie pairs will go for the downside in the upcoming week. So search for your sell setups. What we can have in the upcoming week there is sell setup. Let these to go for the sideways and more continuation to the downside. Breaking this low, and this will form just a bigger, huge pattern over there. Then we'll have a 1 and 1, 2, 3 there in the middle, and one more wave to the upside. Okay. So this is how the Aussie will behave. So watch on 1 hour sell setups. Okay, watch for the sell stops and you can go for the sell. Aussie Nokian, keep pushing lower. Okay, so this is the correction which is completed. We have a 1, 2, 3, and there is also the 1, 2, 3 in the middle. Okay, so and then big 1, 2, 3. This is completed. Where we are, where we are going, we are going down. Okay, breaking those lows. So what you can do, watch for the correction, take the trade. If it will stop by the trend line, then you may see a wave to the upside. Okay, but you will see some loss of momentum also. Okay, but give a try there. Give a try to this chart. Let's correct, take the chart, take the trade, and see how it will plays out. Aussie SIC, same there. Watch for your sell stops. It's not it's not looking for the buy at the moment. Okay, at the moment it's not looking for the buy. Watch for your sells and keep selling. Okay, don't sell without selling opportunity, without sell setup. Watch how this will develop over there. You have to see the strong break to the downside. Break down or up when you need to enter on the strong break, or you can watch lower time frame to see the confirmation there. Okay, we'll have a break and you have a lower time frame a correction and it will continue to the upside. Okay, this is how you will enter it. Aussie USD, perfect opportunity, perfect trade was there. Okay, there was the impulsive movement correction there on the lower time frame. This was the 1 hour correction breakdown. So what I do anticipate is continue to the downside, back to that trend line. So how you can trade it? You can watch for the 1 hour correction. I would like to see there a bit bigger correction before this will start pushing lower. If you sell there, you did a great job. Okay, that was the breakdown of this trend line. You see, and it just simply needs to continue. Okay, continuation, it's what you want to see in the upcoming week. Aussie, same there. Okay, let it push lower, let it correct there, and let it push lower. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is what you want to see. So nice sell is there. All Aussie pairs, all Aussie pairs are showing a potential to the downside. Aussie Cat did an amazing job. This is what I was watching there, and I have my trade running over there. What it did, okay, it just simply break this 4 hour flag. Boom. How far is it going? It's going back to the trend line. So what you will do, keep an eye there on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is what you want to see for the sideways before taking the trade to the downside. Easy. Okay, wait for the correction, get in. Don't chase the price. You can simply watch there. Once it will start to push lower, you can get into the trade. If not, then you have to wait. Aussie Chief, same there. Watch for more downside. 1, this is the 2, and I want to see the 3 before going higher. Okay, so all Aussie pairs are showing me this sell. Okay, all Aussie pairs are showing this sell opportunity over there. So what you can do, you can watch the 1 hour. 1 hour supposed to push lower. Okay, and you have to catch it. This is not the trade you're supposed to have over there, because you can see this was just an example. Uh, this trade is not there. We didn't took it. What you have to do is you can watch this one. And how you can see how this will appear, and then you can take the breakdown over there. Keep an eye on it. This is a nice flag which is trying to appear there on 1 hour. New Zealand Sikian. Strange, don't watch it. Okay, this one is showing some buy over there, okay? Some buy it's showing. It's not making sense at the moment, okay? So skip it. New Zealand Nokian sideways, more sell. New Zealand yen over there. Let's wait for the sell. Okay, keep an eye there. Let's see how that will plays out. It can go for the sideways there and take the trade to the downside. Okay, nice trade is preparing over there, so keep an eye there for the sell stop. New Zealand USD, that one did an amazing job over there. Okay, amazing job. So if you are following me, you have to have that trade. Okay, I have published the idea. Okay, I have published this idea. This is where I have published it. It's on my profile. Okay, if you go to my profile, you'll see that I have published it. Okay, boom. I have published it on March 3rd. There is also update. Okay, anyone if you took it, nice profit. So what you can do, oops, sorry, what you can do there, that's quite risky to get in. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more down. It's still possible over there. Okay, this is what you can see, and continuation to the downside. Okay, let this push lower once again. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch it. Short-term trades, don't hold it. Okay, so those trades are not for holding. Once you get in, get out. Okay, 1 to 1, 1 to 2 is the maximum as you can take, and then get out of the trade. It's not a big opportunity there because you weren't in the trade on the right time. For those who are in the trade on the right time, you did a good job. New Zealand cat, nothing there. Okay, so skip it. We didn't choose the New Zealand cat. Cat was struggling. Okay, so cat wasn't good against the New Zealand. So we were talking about possibilities there for the buy which didn't appear. So I didn't clean the charts. Okay, so there are a lot of setups which we didn't take. Okay, they are all setups. What we have there. New Zealand Chief, it will continue to downside. So what you can do, watch lower time frame over there. Let's see how this will plays out. Okay, that's supposed to start breaking lower. Okay, this flag over there. This flag pushing lower. See how this will plays out. Keep your eyes on. Quite similar as EURUSD was. Cat, all the cat pairs went higher, so there is nothing. Don't chase the price. We are too high. If you were trying to buy, you are getting in some troubles. It can spike up and then it will go down, so you'll have a losing trade and you will watch your drawdown. So don't chase the price at the top. Okay, so cat has no opportunity to buy. Not even cat, no cat, not even cat yen. Okay, they are too high. Okay, they are too high. No trading there. Cat chief, no trading there. Okay, no buying. Only wait for the sell stops. So watch for your sell stops. Can I buy? No, of course you cannot buy. Okay, you're supposed to be a buyer there, but not there. Okay, it's out of opportunity with buy. Euro Nokian, it's trying to push lower. Okay, Euro looks, it will lose some momentum across the market. This is the running flat, and there was some kind of the correction on lower time frame. What the price will do sideways, and you can take short-term sell 1 to 1. Eurosikian going lower. Okay, so watch these to start pushing lower. You can pull the trend line over there, and then you can watch for the strong breaks to the downside. Be aware around the previous low if the price will get some weaknesses. If there it will be loss of momentum, then you know what the price will do. It will go for one more high. Okay, we'll see the break of the top. If not, congratulations, this sell will just continue all the way back to the bottom. Euro Aussie, same there. Okay, we took a buy over there. Buy was an amazing. We already removed the profit from the Euro Aussie. Now what you can anticipate is Aussie will go down. So be aware, be careful with Euro Aussie. Okay, I do not recommend you to go trading on Euro Aussie. Aussie, it looks like it will get some weaknesses across the market, and also Euro is losing its momentum. So that may give a sideways movement over there, and it's not worth of trading it. Okay, just simply skip it. Euro USD, wonderful trade that I have show you that we have took in our trading academy, in our trading community. Okay, this is why we are sharing. Sharing is caring. Okay, so having a good community is really good to have in trading. Okay, it's easier to succeed if you have a good opportunity and good community with good people. Your USD, it will continue to the downside. So if this will correct for the sideways on 1 hour, you can take one more short-term sell. How far it can go? Oops, I just misclicked daily. It can just struggle there, struggle. It can just push slowly, okay? Slowly it can push. You can hold it until you will see the loss of momentum if you are holding it, okay? But nice opportunity was there. Your New Zealand, that one is also a little bit strange, okay? If you took a buy over there, great. If not, you're supposed to not do anything at the moment. This looks for a sell right now. Okay, this looks like for a sell right now, but it could be a quite confusing because New Zealand is losing the momentum. Okay, I think New Zealand lost the momentum and you have a correction over there and then it will start to push higher. Until the New Zealand is losing the momentum across the market, this will be in the sideways movement. Once you see that New Zealand pairs are getting some strength, okay, if the New Zealand will get some strength, this will push lower. Okay, if the New Zealand will drop, then this it will just go higher. Okay, it will be the good opportunity if the New Zealand will be dropping Monday and then on Tuesday it will stop dropping and it will start to reverse on Tuesday. Then there it will be a nice running flat, one impulse, 1 2 3, a running flat, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so this will be a wonderful opportunity to take a buy there on Euro New Zealand. You still with me, guys? EuroCAD, what do we have there? It has finished the correction. That was the last push to the downside. What you can do, you cannot do anything. Okay, we completing the daily move. Okay, this is the daily correction. 1 2 3. We are completing, so no more selling. Don't sell. Start watching for the buy. Okay, we have to prepare ourselves to start buying. Okay, we need to see some loss of momentum and we will start buying. Wonderful trade is waiting for you guys. Okay, something like this is what we will have over there. Now it's just the question of the time, how far this it will take. Okay, it will test all your patience and it will test all your knowledge if you don't have it and if you don't know when is the time to take a buy. Okay, so but make sure you will not miss the opportunity over there. Nice aggressive impulse will appear over there and nice money is waiting on you. Okay, you can also double your money in this movement. Okay, but like I said, take a deep breath and calm down. Okay, we need to see some loss of momentum before this thing will continue to the upside. Euro yen, it will push lower. I think that yen pairs will get some strength across the market, so this euro yen will push lower. This move is what we are anticipating over there. Okay, so watch for the sell stops in the upcoming week. Strong break to the downside. Euro GBP, I think the GBP will get some strengthness also. So this is gone. This is also gone. Let me just have a quick look. I think that pound pairs will gain some strength across the market. So no trading there at the moment. Okay, so this can stay for one more low, breaking higher, and it can go for one more low, and it will go continue to the upside. Okay, so it will stay there. Okay, you will not miss anything. So I do not recommend you to watch your GBP in the next week. So just simply skip it. It's not gonna move anywhere. You will not miss anything. Your chief, watch for your sell setups. Okay, so keep on watching for your sell setups all the way down back to the trend line. Okay, this is what you have to catch. 1 hour time frames. Keep on watching for your flags. Okay, flags is what you want to see. Flag down, flag down, flag down, flag down. Okay, so those are all your sell stops. So keep on selling like you did there, and you can bot. Okay, you can bot. You see. Same there, same behavior, just reversed. Okay, like this. Boom. Sell, 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 sell. Okay, this is what you will have to do. Just sell, sell, sell. Let me bring them back. Okay, you will know what to do all the way back to the downside. Pound per hour. Let me have a quick look. I do not recommend you to take any buy on any pound pair. Okay, I want to see that pound will lose its momentum across the market. Okay, I want to see some weaknesses on the pound pairs. Pound weaknesses will form a nice sell opportunities. Okay, all around there it will be a nice sell opportunity. So make sure you will catch them. They give out really nice money over there. Okay, at least this one. So watch for sell stops, ignore the buys. Okay, let's have a deal. Ignore the buy stops. Okay, so this one same there. This is the correction I want to see breaking down. Pound USD, it already started move. Okay, so pound USD is breaking down because we have a strength on USD. Okay, that wasn't a pound movement. This week that wasn't a pound movement. This was the USD, the dollar movement. Okay, dollar movement has pushed the pound USD to the downside, so that has nothing to do with the pound. Okay, so if USD will go a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Okay, if the USD push lower, it will give you a nice correction, and then the pound will kick in, and boom, you'll have a nice trade over there. Okay, once the pound will kicks in, you'll have a nice trade. Can it also reverse itself? Of course, we can have a reverse over there if the dollar will be stronger than pound. Okay, if dollar has this one move, okay, which I'm showing you, it can just a little bit push lower, and then USD will start massively, strongly pushing lower. This will pull the pound USD to the upside. Okay, so then this pair will be driven by the dollar. And it could also happen that we'll have a sideways movement there. Okay, you have to be really careful once you choose the pound USD. Why? Because if pound GBP, let's say it like that, if this drops and if USD drops, what it will happen? It will go for the sideways. Okay, so you will have no trading over there, no trading, and you will be watching how other pairs are going. So make sure you will not got stuck over there. 2 trillion stimulus this week in the United States. Maybe, probably. Okay, that 2 trillion can push this small push to the upside. Okay, if this is so. Okay, but like I said, we cannot rely on the fundamentals. This 2 trillion can push the DXY for this shorter term wave to the upside. You see, only like this. 2 trillions can just push the USD that high. I don't see it can push higher. Okay, but I do not rely on the fundamentals. I want to keep keep calm, and I don't want to confuse myself. If I read the fundamentals, I will get stuck over there. So let's go. You know what to do on the pound USD in case if pound drops and USD drops, you got problems. Let's have a look on the pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. That can go a little bit higher and then pushing lower. Okay, so sideways movement. Another example, Aussie can drop, pound can drop, so correction is what we will see. So not looking good. Pound yen is the good opportunity, guys. Okay, so I'll publish the chart. Pound yen is the good opportunity for the next week. I'm watching the yen pairs to gain some strength across the market. So based on that, okay, so I just got disconnected by my microphone. I'm watching the yen to gain some strength across the market and pound to lose its strength. So watch for sell stops on pound yen. Okay, it's looking really good opportunity over there. Good opportunity for us selling. I think the stimulus will cause the USD to drop. We'll see. Okay, so don't let the fundamentals confuse you. Okay, I'm keep repeating it. Believe me, I've seen a lot of traders got confused by fundamentals. So make sure you will not get stuck over there. So pound yen, watch for the sell stop. Pound New Zealand pushing higher, and yeah, watch for your sell stops. Also over there. Okay, this move is about to complete itself. Not much to push higher. Watch and focus on your sell stops. Okay, so sell stops like this. Sell, 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 sell. Keep selling. Pound chief, same there. Watch for sell stops. Don't give up. Pound cat. Okay, pound cat is what was driven by the cat. Okay, but this setup is invalidated. Okay, we've been watching this one. We took some buys. It didn't go anywhere. So what we supposed to do if trade is not moving? What we supposed to do? We have to take off the trade. Okay, once you see the trade is not going, you have to take off your trade and watch for another setup. It didn't appear, so we took a break-even trades over there. We will delete the setup. Okay, why? Because we will probably push lower. Okay, that can push lower. We'll see basically. Okay, on Tuesday, Wednesday, there it will be the clear picture. But for those who are not in our trading academy, I do recommend you to leave the chart. Pound cat is not for you. Okay, don't watch it. It's kind of confusing chart for you. Chief yen. Let's wait there for a break, correction, and watch for your buy. Okay, yen. I'm watching the yen chart to gain some strength. So this could push that high and give you the earning pattern more low. So be careful also. Not looking good basically. Okay, skip it. I'm neutral. I'm turning neutral for the chief yen. Chief Nokian at the bottom, so it's trying to form some loss of momentum. So nothing there. Leave them. Chief Sikian also nothing there. Okay, so leave skip all the chief pairs. DXY, you know what to do. So use the Nokian. What it can do, it can go higher and then lower. Use the Sikian. Same there, is trying to push higher. This is the same structure as on DXY 1, 2, and 3. This is the big daily. Okay, big daily is over there, and what we can have over there is a nice sell opportunity. Can I immediately sell? No, don't do that kind of. Okay, you can just simply sell because you see, oh my god, it's at the top, I have to sell. No, don't do this. You will end up again. You know with what. So let's wait for the break, correction, and then take the trade. Okay, so trade the safe. Okay, you want money. You don't want a perfect entry. You need a money. So USD yen, what is there? Nothing. Okay, nothing isn't there, so skip it. USD chief, that was really strong. Okay, one of our guy has taken that buy over there, but you cannot do anything. Okay, we are too much at the high. You need a correction before you will be buying it. Okay, this is what you need, so be patient. This correction will come. That can go into the straight line. Okay, trust me guys, this needs a correction and then you simply join it. Okay, join it once people will lose some money. Okay, so wait for this. Stay calm. USD cat will probably cat, I mean Canadian, only Canadian will probably drop across the market. So this can push higher. So 1 to 3 and we will have a continuation to the upside. Let's have a look. Hmm. Strange chart at the moment. Okay, I cannot say about USD cat. I will stay neutral. Okay, only on Wednesday probably there it will be much clear sense of direction. So stay sideways on USD cat. Use the Mexican pushing higher, and yeah, USD will push this pair to the downside. So watch it. Watch for your sell stops. Gold, we are about to complete this buy setup. This is the daily huge buy setup. So what I would like to say to any one of you, watch for the buy setups on gold. Okay, gold is forming a nice opportunity for buy. Okay, you see, there's no momentum for sell. So watch for your buy. Easy. Watch for your buy setups. You see, we are already pushing lower, pushing lower, pushing lower. It will start its way to the upside at any time soon. So I will search for the buy stop. Sorry. Same there. Silver. Okay, silver will also give some momentum for buy. Okay, this is what we can have over there. 1, 2, 3 going lower, and then it will start to push higher. But if you're choosing between gold and silver, I would rather prefer gold. Gold will be much faster and better opportunity to take that buy. Okay, but don't miss the opportunity. Sugar. So OPEC expect to announce cuts on Thursday. This will impact CAT, which is really up at the. I see that CAT can drop across the market. Okay, I don't see it. Yeah, we'll probably see a drop on CAT. So on Thursday will be there will be some moves on Thursday probably. Sugar, what you can do? Nothing. Let's wait for the correction and take the trade. Oil, 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 oil. There was a nice opportunity for buy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, nice expanded flat formation was there. And if you took that buy, congratulations. Slowly take off your profit. Okay, don't hold it too long. Okay, just take off that trade. It can drop at any time soon. Okay, so nice expanded flat formation was there. We have also one oil trader. Okay, so he's constantly trading the oil, and I think he catch the trade somewhere there. Okay, he did a really nice profit over there. I cannot share his profit over there. He sent me the private message with that nice numbers, and yeah, he's about to take off his profit really soon. This thing will not go far. At any time soon, it will go into the bigger correction, so you don't want to risk this. UK oil, same there. Okay, we've been anticipating a nice sell. If you were watching for this sell, and there was the turning point. Okay, this was the turning point, and you're supposed to not have a sell over there. Oil may only go to max $74. Yeah, this is this is the reason why every buyer on oil should get out immediately. Okay, this buy is not long term. It will go down at any time soon. Aussie chief, please. You are a little bit late. We already have passed the Aussie chief that was at the beginning of the Forex. So if you missed it, just watch the recordings. Okay, I will upload the recordings. The recordings will be on YouTube, on my channel, or you can simply watch it there on TradingView. Take that money out of oil. Don't risk your house on oil. Take that profit. So yeah, no more buying. No more buying on oil. US 30, what do we have there? This thing, indices will go one more up. Okay, this looks like it will go for the correction and one more up. Be aware, this it will go for one more up, break the high, and then it will turn to the downside. Be prepared for this kind of the movement over there. It can appear really fast. Okay, so sideways there, go higher, easy. Nasdaq 100. Okay, so there is the guy. Okay, I don't know if he's with me. So he was watching our webinars since last 2 weeks, and he took a really nice money there on Nasdaq 100. Okay, so he sold somewhere there, and yeah, that was his trade. He took off his trade on Friday. he did a really nice and amazing profit. Okay, so I'm really happy that, guys, you are watching my webinars and that you are making money. This is my purpose, that every one of you will learn and will make money. So index socks, I don't know what is this one, but we'll add it. We'll add the chart. So what you can do on Nasdaq 100, nothing there. Okay, just wait. We want to see correction. Correction will tells us if it will reverse to the upside or it will not. SP 500, same there. Okay, we've been selling it, selling it, and now stop it. Okay, don't sell it. It's it's not looking good at the moment. All indices are showing a fast wave to the upside, break the top and reverse the downside. Okay, this is what they are showing at the moment. Can it go lower? I don't think so. I don't think so. They can push lower, but if they will struggle there, up, down, up, then they may drop. And believe me, you want to be in this sell. Okay, believe me, you want to catch that sell. But first, let it settle down. German 30. Yes, thanks. You are good. Yes, thanks. You are welcome. Can you please go over senior? Yeah, I will. Just give me a couple of minutes. German 30, nothing there. Skip it. Okay, we'll delete this. This is really long. I didn't. I have to learn to clean up my charts. I usually just forget to remove the drawings. So sometimes they look really ugly and disgusting charts. Trend lines are all around. Okay, so German 30, nothing there. Okay, skip it. Don't trade it. Have other things to do. Okay, nothing there. Okay, it's confusing. Don't buy it. I don't want to buy it. No, no buying. No, no, no. So let me just delete also that one. Like that, like that, like that. And this one can go lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this can go like this. 1, 2, 3. So bigger correction can appear, and it will push for one more, and then it will go for one more down. Be aware. I want to catch the sell. Okay, I'm only waiting for the sell. Sell will be fast, and that is where I will make nice money. But it's not ready yet. Okay, I don't look. It doesn't look. It is ready to sell at the moment. So let me have a look on. So one guy was asking for index socks, please. Let me have a look. I haven't seen that chart. SOX. Maybe that one. So that one. It will go for one more up. Okay, that looks like a expanded flat. So if there it will be any loss of momentum, or if there it will be any buy setup, you can go for this buy, breaking the top, and then it will return to the downside. Okay, so keep your eyes there and watch for your buy setup. Don't get in right now. Okay, believe me, you want to see some buy setup before. Okay, something like this before getting into the buy. Okay, you should not got stuck over there. But yeah, watch for the buy. This sell is quite aggressive, so this is the reason why you have to wait for a flag before buying. Uh, what you were asking me also, we have one more question. Where is it? Kale. Yes, you helped a lot with US 100. Thanks a lot. Okay, so one guy who has also made a nice profit is there. Okay, you are welcome. I'm here to help you. So you made a nice profit, you made a money, and I'm happy. Okay, that's good. Keep on doing that. You learn and you will earn. So what else should we watch? Okay, we have a question there on YouTube. CNR. What is it? CNR. Take a look. Boom, here it is. What is it doing? Oh, whoa, whoa, it's going without you. Hope not. Hope you are in the trade. What do we have there? We have a nice buying opportunity there. Something like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and now it's pushing hard. If it corrects, you can take the buy all the way back to the top, but don't risk too much. It can go for the correction before going higher. So I don't see that really good potential over there. If you're having a sell from somewhere there, once it will reach the top, take off your profit. Okay, easy as that. Okay, so what else, guys, do we have to take a look? I think that we passed almost all financial markets. There is nothing left. There is full 2 hours. Okay, our webinar was 2 hours long. We passed everything. Plug. Plug? What is that? We have a lot of interesting charts. Nothing there. Okay, skip it. This can just show down. It can drag lower. Okay, not even loss of momentum is there. So this can just go for the earning flat and deep lower. So nothing there. Okay. Recommendation for leverage on CFD for new trader. What exactly did you mean? How does one get notified for those webinars? Don't touch block. You can get notified for those webinars if you will follow me on or subscribe on YouTube, or you can also follow me in Telegram. Okay, under the video you will find the link, the social sites links. There is also the Telegram, the YouTube. Just simply subscribe to that links and you will got notified. And if you want, you can remember it's every Sunday at 7 p.m. It starts GMT plus 0. Okay, so you have to calculate your own time. And yeah, simply join it. Okay, remember, set the reminder, don't miss it, or simply just join, subscribe, and you will got notified. Thanks, brother. You are welcome. Okay, thank you. You are welcome. So, every one of you, you are really welcome, guys. I just find you right now. How often do you do this live analysis? I probably answered already. Okay, every week. Okay, every Sunday there is the webinar. How much leverage should we keep for new trader? Use small leverage, especially if you are new trader. Okay, don't use big leverage. I'm accessing to TradingView every Sunday at 7 GMT. Yes, at 7 GMT plus 0. Okay, every Sunday. If you're not too tired at the end of the webinar, can you take a look at DRX? Okay, I will do that for you. I will take the last charts. Okay, so last chart and last chart was TRX USDT, and the last one who was asking on YouTube was BID. Okay, so BYD, something like that, BYD. I will take a look on that one. This will be the last one, and the one crypto is left, and then we'll finish the webinar there. Small push higher. Okay, don't chase this one. Take profit. If you're already in, take profit around the top. Okay, this is the expanded flat. Probably it will go tag the top and then going into the deeper correction before continuation of the upside. So try to take off your profit over there. So let's take a look quickly on this last one, TRX USDT. What do we have there? 1, 2, 3. This is the correction which will push lower. Okay, so I don't see the buying opportunity at the moment. 1, 2, 3. It will go back to that bottom, and then you can start watching for your buy opportunities. Okay, I don't see the buy at the moment over there. Let's have a look on daily. What daily is it saying? Yeah, same there. Okay, if it spikes up, it will not go far. Okay, don't get scared. It will just go down. Okay, we need to tag this low before the move will continue to the upside. How has your week been? Thank you for asking. Week was being really, really amazing. Dollar has give us a really nice profit. New Zealand also, and Aussie also give us a really nice profit there. So for those who are interested to our trading academy to join my team, simply going to my website and choose the membership tab and choose the membership that fits with you. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Do you ever dabble in option trading? No, I don't do option trading. This is like a casino trading. Okay, this is not good opportunity with option trading. Okay, try to avoid with this one. Can you show me where to draw the lines on for the? We will watch and take a look next. We will take a look next week. I'm really tired right now. Been holding the webinars for 2 hours. Thank you very much. You are welcome. So every one of you are really welcome. I will do appreciate if you will share the link with others. I want to help as many traders as I can because I've seen that many of you are struggling. They are stuck with trading and they cannot generate consistently profits from month to month. And you will help to them with my webinar. Been already achieving and reaching a lot of those traders which are struggling and having a lot of problems. So share, you may help to someone. Trade has a new platform for trading option on Forex and has a trademark or protect which ensures your Forex trades that go wrong and you can get paid back your money you lose within 2 days of the trade. Yeah, maybe it's possible, but I'm not interested in that type of trading. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I do appreciate all the comments, all the shares, and all the likes. Take care. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact me and we will be in touch. Take care. Enjoy your week. May the profit be with you the whole week. Take care. Bye bye.